Hey there, fashionista! If you're into sewing, you know that a proper sewing machine is the real MVP. Whether you're stitching up a new wardrobe or just fixing up your fave threads, a sewing machine can make it happen. Not only can you create some killer outfits, but you can also save some cash by hemming those too long pants or rescuing that coat missing a button. But with so many options out there, finding the perfect sewing machine can feel like a needle in a haystack. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we're spilling the tea on some of the best sewing machines on the market. So sit back, relax, and get ready to stitch up a storm. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Singer M3500, our pick for best budget sewing machine. Hey there, stitching superstar! Are those fingers itching to create something new? Well, look no further than the Singer M3500 sewing machine. It's the perfect starting point for beginners because it's simple to use, lightweight, and has a wide range of preloaded stitches for all sorts of projects. It's the sewing machine equivalent of a trusty best friend who's always got your back. And may we just say, it looks pretty darn good too. Available in 5 colors, including a slick gray blue. This machine can handle most fabrics, from the tough-as-nails denim to the warm and fuzzy wool. It's a bit like having a personal superhero to help you save the day, one stitch at a time. Plus, the Singer sewing machine has got some pretty nifty tricks up its sleeve too. We're talking an automatic needle threader, a front-loading bobbin, and a one-step buttonhole function. It's like the sewing machine equivalent of Tony Stark's Iron Man suit, only with less danger of you accidentally wiping out half the universe. So, if you're ready to embark upon this new and exciting journey as a sewing wizard, why not choose the Singer M3500 sewing machine? It's affordable, reliable, and the perfect partner to help you whip up some amazing creations. With the M3500, the stitching world is your oyster. Number 4. JUKI TL-2000Qi, our pick for best sewing machine for expert quilting. Hey there, fellow sewing enthusiasts! Are you tired of constantly replacing your sewing machine because it can't handle those thick fabrics? Not to worry, JUKI has got you covered with their sturdy, long-lasting quilting machines. In fact, many of us at GH learned how to sew on a JUKI machine. They're that good. And we're not the only ones who think so. This JUKI machine boasts features designed specifically for quilting, from automatic thread cutting to free motion capabilities. And don't forget the knee lifter, presser foot pressure adjustment, and bright light for easy detail work. But wait, there's more! Reviewers rave about how this advanced machine stays rock steady when sewing quickly and makes minimal noise. Perfect for late-night quilting sessions. Plus, with updated LED lights and one-pedal operation, it's never been easier to create those intricate designs. And that's not all. With 1500 SPM for quilting apparel and home decor, an automatic needle threader, and an aluminum die cast arm and bed for low vibration operation, this JUKI machine is a quilter's dream come true. Plus, with the included extension table, you'll have all the space you need for those larger projects. So don't wait any longer and let JUKI take your quilting and sewing skills to the next level. We know you won't regret it. Still searching for the perfect sewing machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Brother XR9550, our pick for best sewing machine for beginners. Have you ever wanted to try sewing or quilting but weren't sure where to start? Well, put down the glue gun and step away from the bedazzler, my friend. The Brother XR9550 is here to make all your DIY dreams come true, without breaking the bank. This affordable sewing machine is perfect for beginners and seasoned stitchers alike. With 165 built-in stitches and an LCD display, you'll be a sewing pro in no time. Plus, the extra-wide extension table is ideal for quilting projects. Now, I'm not saying this machine will do your laundry or cook you dinner, although I wish it could. But it does have some nifty features, like an automatic needle threader. No more squinting and swearing at a tiny needle eye. The only downside? It's not the greatest embroidery machine out there. So, if you were hoping to stitch out a Shakespearean sonnet on your next project, you might need to look elsewhere. But hey, you can't have it all, right? Overall, I'm impressed with this brother machine. It's affordable, easy to use, and has enough bells and whistles to keep even the most ambitious sewists happy. So grab your fabric and some snacks, and let's get sewing. Number 2. Janome 3160 QDCT, our pick for best sewing and quilting machine. Get ready to take your sewing game up a notch with the ultimate Janome computerized sewing machine. Say goodbye to all your sewing woes and say hello to the world of effortless quilting. It is loaded with features that will make your sewing journey an absolute breeze. So, what are these features we are talking about, you ask? Let us break them down for you. This machine comes with a quilting accessories kit that has everything you need to create your next masterpiece. And that's not all. It also has a built-in automatic needle threader, an LCD screen to help you keep track of your stitch count, a thread cutter button, and much more. Trust us, you're not going to miss that old machine of yours. In the past, our testers have loved the Janome sewing machine's intuitive interfaces, effortless usage, and reliability. The DC4030 was a favorite of many, and the new model DC5100 follows suit. It ensures jam-proof quilting with its sturdy build quality and impressive feature set. Sure, it might get a little noisy, but that's nothing a pair of headphones can't fix. No matter your skill level, the Janome computerized sewing machine is the perfect option for anyone looking to take their hobby to the next level. Get started on your next embroidered masterpiece today. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4423, our pick for best sewing machine overall. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the market for a sewing machine that's not going to crap out on you after a few uses, then consider the Singer 4432. Sure, it's a little pricey for a mechanical machine, but trust us when we say it's worth it. With a motor that's 60% stronger than your average sewing machine, this bad boy can sew through almost any fabric you throw at it, even stretchy material and denim, because let's face it, nothing is more frustrating than a sewing machine that can't handle your favorite fabrics. When we put the Singer 4423 to the test, we were blown away by the 32 stitch options available. And can we talk about the one-step buttonhole function? Life-changing! This sturdy machine is not only built to last, but it's fast too. The metal frame keeps everything aligned for flawless stitching, even at high speeds. So whether you're whipping up a new pair of jeans or creating an entirely new wardrobe, the Singer 4432 will get the job done in no time. Don't settle for a cheap, flimsy sewing machine that can't deliver. With the Singer 4432, you'll be sewing like a pro and showing off your new creations. We know, you might have to dip into your savings a bit for this one. But trust us when we say you won't regret it. Happy sewing! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best sewing machines. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which sewing machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.